How to replace the signal module. Remove the front cover. Remove the 4 display screws using a Phillips screwdriver. Disconnect the display ribbon cable. Remove the standoffs using pliers. Remove the top plate. The signal module is located on the left-hand circuit board. Remove the left-hand circuit board. This is the signal module. Loosen the signal module mounting screws. Remove the signal module. Prepare the new signal module. Align with the header pins and screw holes to install. Secure the signal module with screws. Reinsert the circuit board into its original position. Next, install the top plate. Secure the top plate with screws. Reinstall the display and reconnect the ribbon cable. Secure the display with screws. Reinstall the front cover. Signal module replacement complete.